If you ever forget important tasks, meetings, deadlines, or even personal reminders, Google Calendar can help you stay organized in just a few clicks. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up reminders in Google Calendar so you never miss what matters most. This is a quick and simple workflow that works great for work, school, and everyday planning. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Google Calendar in your web browser. You can do this by going to calendargoogle.com or by opening it from your Google apps if you're already signed in. Once Google Calendar loads, you'll see your calendar view and all of your upcoming events. Now, look for the colorful Create button in the top left corner. In some cases, you can also click directly on a specific time slot inside the calendar grid. Either option will work, but the Create button is usually the easiest way to start. When you click Create, a drop-down menu appears with different options. From here, select Task. This is the option you want if you're setting up a reminder for something you need to do later. Tasks are great because they help you stay on top of important items without creating a full calendar event. Next, type in a clear title for your reminder. Keep it short but specific so you'll instantly know what it's for later. For example, you might write something like pay electricity bill, submit report, or call dentist. If needed, you can also add optional details in the description area to give yourself more context. After that, click the time or date field to choose when you want to be reminded. If you want the reminder to happen at a specific moment, set a time and date. If it doesn't need a specific time, you can choose an all-day slot instead. This is especially useful for deadlines, due dates, or tasks you simply need to complete by the end of the day. If your task includes a due date, make sure to select it here as well. That way, Google Calendar knows exactly when the task should be completed. This helps keep everything organized and makes your reminders much more effective. Once all your information is entered, click Save. Your reminder will now be added to Google Calendar, and you'll be able to see it on your schedule. From there, you can come back anytime to edit it, reschedule it, or mark it complete once you've finished the task. And that's it. You've successfully set up a reminder in Google Calendar. It only takes a minute, but it can make a huge difference in how organized and productive you stay throughout the week. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.